This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Wednesday, May 13th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather pretty nice today. Lower humidity, a comfortable afternoon, but moisture begins to come back tomorrow. And a little rain over the weekend. Let's go in there and talk about things. Let's start with the water vapor satellite image this morning. New trough in the west. That promises to bring more severe weather to parts of the Great Plains late this week and early in the weekend. A ridge over the Gulf of Mexico and dry air in place here. Dew points are down. Temperatures are pretty nice. Mostly mid to upper 50s. It's 59 in Birmingham, 56 at Cullman, 54 at Fort Payne. We'll expect the high today around 80. And again, with those lower dew points, it'll feel pretty good. And by the way, the average high for this date is 80. To the west, a flash flood watch for much of Texas and parts of Oklahoma. See some flash flood warnings around Houston to start the day. And up north, how about some frost advisories in mid-May for parts of Wisconsin and the Northeast U.S. Go through the convective outlooks today. There's a slight risk of severe weather over parts of South Texas. Tomorrow, a marginal risk in that same area. And day 3, Friday, this is where things begin to get active. We have an enhanced risk over Nebraska with a slight risk down into West Texas. And this could be a very active day on Saturday as the weekend begins. A higher severe weather threat from near Oklahoma City north. And that could be a pretty busy day. Storm chasers will be out there plenty. And then this is day 5, Sunday. The risk moves northeast up toward the Great Lakes. And the same thing like the last one we had. The main dynamic sport stays far north of here. We don't expect any organized severe weather in our state anytime soon. In fact, maybe until sometime in the fall. Here's a look at the rain for the next 5 days. Valid through Monday morning. The bigger numbers around Dallas, Fort Worth. The bullseye there, 5.7 inches. Goodness, the old Trinity River is going to get pretty full. Around here amounts 1/2 to 1 inch. Model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run. Valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You see the big trough in the west approaching the Pacific coast. 588 ridge over the Gulf. And for us, a nice day. Sunny and less humid. A nice 1032 millibar high nosing in from the north. High should be around 80. Dew points drop in the 40s today. Not so sure when that's going to happen again. Tomorrow, moisture begins to come back, but the models have really backed off on the chance of rain. We'll mention some risk of an afternoon shower, but most places will be dry. Here's the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock. And it's got a few showers, mainly south of Interstate 20. So could there be a shower tomorrow afternoon? Yes, but probably pretty widely spaced. And again, we'll be up in the mid-80s. Friday, the moisture will be deeper. A pretty decent chance of a few showers, maybe some thunder during the day. But again, it's not just going to rain all day long. I've got the golf matches starting at Shoal Creek on Friday. I'll have to dodge some raindrops there, but they've done that before. We note a very deep surface low that's over northeast Colorado, and that could bring severe weather to parts of Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, maybe North Texas. And Saturday, that feature just doesn't move, and again, severe weather is likely over Kansas and Oklahoma, North Texas. Around here Saturday, we stay in a moist air mass. Day with more clouds than sun, a few passing showers and storms, but it's not going to rain all day. And the sun might peek out at times. And really the same thing on Sunday. Kind of a soupy, moist air mass. Highs for the weekend, I'd say between 78 and 81, with only a limited amount of sun and occasional showers and maybe some thunder, but no severe weather. And that surface low Sunday is over Minnesota, so your severe weather threat will be around the Great Lakes. Monday of next week, same deal. We're moist Tuesday. Yeah, nothing to sweep it out. It's that time of the year where cold fronts have a hard time getting down here. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, May 20th. Again, flat ridge, ridging here across the deep south. Big upper trough off the California coast. And the chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. You'll hear those words a lot over the next 3 months. This is the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, May 22nd. Big upper low around Los Angeles and San Diego. And again, for us, it's ridging, and it's the same deal. We got a deep surface low around Goodland, Kansas. That would suggest maybe some severe weather for places like Wichita and Oklahoma City. But for us, just more muggy, scattered showers and storms. Highs this week off the ensembles will stay in the 80s. We rise up to near 90 next week. Yeah, buddy, June's getting close. And again, it's the eastern ridge, the southwest trough. And accordingly, temperatures stay above average. This is May 20th through 26th for where we are. Below average temperatures back in the Southwest U.S. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.